Hello students, now in this video you will get solution of trigonometric identities, MCQ part. Number A. In a right angle triangle ABC, so first I am drawing this in a right angle triangle ABC. B equals to 90 degree, given BCA, CA, B and this one C. Then the value of tan C plus tan A. Tan C means tan of angle C. Clear? Plus tan of angle A. Tan means all of you know perpendicular by base. So here when you are considering this angle, then your base is this, then perpendicular will be AB. Clear? Then AB by base BC. Now when you are considering the angle A, this angle A stands on the base AB. So in that case your base will be AB and perpendicular will be BC. So perpendicular by base. Clear? Now AB means what? AB means C and BC A given plus BC A and AB B. Then what to do? You have to find out which one is correct. Okay, then sorry, AB is C, not B. AB is C. Now we have to take the LCM. AC, then C square plus A square. Now this is a right angle triangle. So C square plus A square, perpendicular square plus B square equals to hypotenuse square. So C square plus A square equals to, we can write B square equals to B square by AC. So which option? B square by AC or CA? Option 2. It is the correct one. Clear? So first you will draw the diagram. Then when this angle you will consider, first you have to find out which one is perpendicular and which one is base. Now this angle stands on this base BC. So in that case it will be the base and it will be the perpendicular. But when you are considering tan of angle A, then your base will be changed. That will be the base and this will be the perpendicular. Then this step you can do. Next one. Which one of the following values cannot be the value of sec theta? Now sec theta means what? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So sec theta will be hypotenuse by base. Sec means sec theta. Sec means hypotenuse by base. Now here given 4 options. 4 by 5, 13 by 12, 8 by 7, 10 by 9. Now you know in any right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the greatest side. So hypotenuse will be always greater than base. Now sec theta, if we consider the first one, 4 by 5. If we consider 4 by 5, here you see it is hypotenuse, it is base. In this case it is coming less than base. So it is not possible. Clear? It is never possible. So which one cannot be the value of sec theta? This one. Your option, you will write option A 1, 4 by 5. Then you will give the reason as hypotenuse is always greater than base. Clear? In this case you are getting that it is less than base. So it is incorrect. Next one. Find the value of this. Sin square theta into 1 plus cot square theta plus cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Now you have to apply the formula. You know 1 plus cot square theta means cosec square theta and 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta. So from here, by applying formula, this is coming cosec square theta. Clear? And this is coming 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta. Now again you know cosec is inverse of sine. So here we can write 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1 by sec means inverse of cos. Now this and this cancel out. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Here option given, yes. Second option. Your correct one is second option. Clear? Then next one. If theta is a positive acute angle, which one is correct? Okay, here given so many values related to sine, cos, sec, tan, cosec, cos, tan, cot, etc. Now this one I have calculated. Okay. Now you have to check. How you will check? First one, if you consider sine theta 0.4 and cos theta 0.3. You will apply that formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then sine square theta means 0.4 whole square. It will come 0.16 plus 0.09. So if you add, 1 will not come. So this will not be the correct answer. Clear? Second one, I have done second one. See? In this way, by trial and error method, you will find out which one is the correct answer by applying the formula. Number D. Second one you see, sec theta given 1.25. Sec theta 1.25 and tan theta given 0.75. Now one formula we know related to sec and tan, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So first we will find out sec square theta. Sec square theta is coming 1.25 whole square. Now this calculation I have done. Okay, we will not do in this way. See, sec square theta is this, keep, and tan square theta is 0.75 whole square. Clear? Now we will calculate sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now apply the formula of a square minus b square. It is coming a plus b into a minus b. It will be easier for calculation. Okay, that's why I have not calculated here what is the square of 1.25. Now put the value sec theta 1.25 plus 0.75 into sec theta minus tan theta, that means 1.25 minus 0.75. Now if you add, 2 is coming here and here 0.50 is coming. Clear? 2 into 0.50. Now if you multiply 2 and 0.50, you will get 1. So what we are getting? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So this value, this set of values satisfying this relation. So which one is correct? Number 2. Clear? Then last one. it is given sec 2 into sec theta plus tan theta equals to m, and 2 into sec theta minus tan theta equals to n given. Then then the value of root over mn. So 4 options are there, we have to calculate root over mn. Okay, here sec and tan is given, so you know what formula you have to apply. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Clear? So using that relation, using sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Now a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b equals to 1. Now sec theta plus tan theta means from here n by 2 and here n by 2 equals to 1. So now multiply mn equals to, we are getting 2 2s are 4, then cross multiply. Therefore, root over mn will be 2. I think this option is there. Yes, number 4. This is the correct one. Clear? So, when sec, tan, related sum will be given, you will apply that formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Sin cos will be given, you will apply sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And sec, tan cosec and cot given, then cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Then short answer you will get in next video.